everybody, Marco Carbajo here from businesscreditblogger.com. Today's video we're going to talk about new Net 30 vendor updates from a couple of vendors, some changes, some lower fees, new business credit reporting companies that they're reporting to, new products. So this is a really exciting video. We're going to share with you two vendors that have some really important updates for you. So for those of you who are looking to build business credit, this is the video for you. Let's get started. Okay, so as you know, this is going to be a really short video, but I want to share with you some important changes to these vendors, what they're offering now, and it's really exciting. So let's get started with the first one. Obviously, we talked about CEO Creative. You probably heard about that particular company. You can go to vendorcreditline.com, but don't go there yet. But this is an easy approval Net 30 vendor. You're going to see in this video, I highlighted in yellow some of the changes and updates that each of these vendors have come out with. We're going to share with you two of them in this particular vendor video. This is an update in 2022. This is brand new. So with CEO Creative, they've come out with more products, which is great. They have branded hats now, t-shirts, hoodies. So even more products for you as a business owner. If you want to customize a product for your company, this is a great vendor. Now, what's exciting too is, as you know, with inflation, costs are going up. It's great to see certain companies that are actually lowering costs to make it easier for startups, existing businesses to buy their products and services or to get credit, etc. So as you know, you'll see here, the first update here is their yearly membership fee is reduced. It used to be $79. It was first initially $129 a year. Then it got reduced to $79. Now they lowered it to $49 a year. So that's really exciting update. So now it's only $49 a year to be a member with this particular company. You buy all their products and services. And I'm also going to share with you how to get a discount on this membership fee as well. So stay tuned on this video. Another important update is they required before you to be in 90 days in business. Now it's 30 days in business. So you can be started today, or excuse me, 30 days as opposed to 90. So that saves you lots of time. That saves you 60 days that you don't have to wait to apply for this particular Net 30 account. You get it to $1,100 Net 30. This is no personal credit check vendor, no personal guarantees. So that's what we call it, an easy approval. This helps you as a company get your foot in the door with a company, build business credit, buy products and services your company needs on credit terms within 30 days, which means you have to repay that invoice within 30 days. They do report your activity. They report $1,100 credit approval limit to Equifax Business and Creditsafe. So these are two business credit reporting agencies that will help you obviously build up your company's credit reports. And as you know, we've talked how to add that to Insonia as well using another vendor that adds trade lines called businesscreditbuilderservices.com. So that's a really exciting. So watch that video if you want to know a little bit about that. If you want to also, if you get a CEO Creative Net 30, this video right here will show you how to also add that particular trade line to Insonia, okay, in addition to them reporting to Equifax and Creditsafe. So that is the update with CEO Creative. Now here's some other benefits when you're applying. You go to vendorcreditline.com, you apply. Now, for fast approval, you're going to need your EIN letter. That's your employer identification letter that was issued to you by the IRS. When you incorporate your business, you applied for your EIN number, and you're going to need a copy of your driver's license. So that's the two documents you want to make sure you have on hand. Now, to shop, their minimum requirement is $40 that you're going to use your Net 30 account. So if you're going to use Net 30 terms, you have to, your minimum purchase order is $40, okay? Now, to get 10% off on your annual membership fee or a product order, you're going to use a coupon code that we got set up for you working with CEO Creative. You're going to use BCIC, which is short for Business Credit Insider Circle, and then the number 10. That's going to give you 10% off, okay? So this does report to Equifax Business and Creditsafe. So let me just share with you real quick. CEO Creative right here. When you click on the Net 30 application on their website, vendorcreditline.com, you're going to put your basic company information, your company establishment date, your DUNS number. Now this right here is where you're going to upload your EIN letter. You click this and you add it to, you upload it via your computer, and you're going to upload a copy of your driver's license. So that's really as simple as it gets when it comes to submitting the application for your Net 30 account with CEO Creative. So let's talk about Another update with another vendor, which is called JJGold International. This is another easy approval net 30 vendor. They report to multiple business credit bureaus. Now you'll see here in the highlights, they added some designer sunglasses, which is pretty cool. They've added much more products onto their catalog, so there's a lot of things you can buy from these companies. So there's no shortage of things you may need for your business or gifts you want to give to employees or corporate gifts. Then you could definitely use that in promoting your business as well, because a lot of them have branded products as well. This particular website, you can go net30gold.com. Now here's another requirement change. They used to be 90 days requirements. 30 days in business now is their update. So now you only have to be 30 days in business. You get a net 30 account, and they report to Dun and Bradstreet. But an update, which is really, really exciting, is they now report to Creditsafe and Equifax Business. So these are two more business credit reporting agencies that they report to. So this one net 30 account, this one trade line will report to 3 major business credit bureaus. And you also could get credit limits easily with this particular vendor. So this is a really exciting update, because these are changes that are going to make it much easier for you. If you're just watching this video for the first time, you save time, you save some money, and you also are building your business credit with more bureaus. So that's really exciting for those of you watching this video. So how do you apply for the net 30 account? This is another update. They used to charge an annual membership fee, which was $99. Now there's 0 annual membership fee. You don't have to pay anything to apply for a net 30 account. But what they did change is, to qualify, once you apply for your net 30, you have to make a minimum purchase amount. It used to be $100. They lowered that to $80. So they reduced that minimum purchase to $80. To process your order, you must pay, it used to be 50% of that order up front. So if you were buying $100 before, it used to be $50, now it's $80. You're only paying 30% up front. So that's kind of like your down payment on your order. They reduced it to only 30%, which is a very small amount of cost that you're going to pay up front for your order. Now, only net 30 purchases are reported to DNB, Equifax Business, and Creditsafe. This reports to 3 business credit bureaus. Now, which is exciting too, is after you've done 3 orders with them, you've shown this particular vendor that you're making your payments on time, you're a good credit risk, they then will waive your down payment, so you won't have to pay this 30% upfront fee on future orders. Then you'll be able to put your whole order on credit. So that's some really, really exciting news. No annual membership fee. They reduced their purchase order amounts. They reduce your down payment amount on an order, and obviously you have this opportunity to have your down payments waived. So that's a really exciting update for JJGold. Now, with credit limit increases with this particular vendor, if they start you out with a small credit limit like $350, don't worry about that. Just make purchases. After 60 days, you can request a credit limit increase, provided you pay your invoice on time or ahead of the due date, which is what you want to do. Then let's say they increase your credit limit to $750. That's increasing your credit limit, and you want to do that with your vendors. When you're using your credit lines, even your credit cards for the business, when you're using your accounts and you're making payment activity, when you request credit limit increases, they look at your account history, they look at your purchases, they look at how you pay your invoices. So it has to justify a credit limit increase. If you're not using your credit, or you're not using very much of your credit, then it just doesn't justify them to warrant a credit limit increase. Okay, so that's something you want to keep in mind when it comes to requesting credit limit increases. So net30gold.com, this is the final update for this particular vendor. So like I said, this is a short video. If you want to stay up to date on new vendors, suppliers, new companies, or cards coming to the marketplace for business to help you build business credit, definitely check out our business credit building system. That's Business Credit Builders with an S.org. You'll also see on that website that we have many different done-for-you funding products that we do, like business credit card funding, loans, lines of credit. So we help you with acquisition of funding. So with that, if you found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. That way you can be notified every single time we come out with a new update or a new video on ways for you to build business credit and maximize your funding potential. Make it a great day, and we'll talk to you real soon.